Friends, we are going to solve the problem. Find the target indices after sorting array. You are given a zero index array nums and a target element target. A target index is a index I such that nums equal to target. Return the list of target indices num after sorting nums in a non-decreasing order. If there are no target, return a element list. The return the list must be sorted in increasing. So question is there are given a array nums and target. We have to find the indexes of a target in sorted in increasing order. If we sort this array in increasing order, so what will be the index of target in sorted? In this question there target value 2, so indexes is 0 1 2, there 1 2, so we have to return the indexes of target in if we sort the given array in increasing order. So what can we do for the solution? We first of first in brute force we sort the array and simply find the indexes of that and put the indexes in vector and return. This is the first brute force solution. Sort the array, put the take a result as a for return the answer and iterate the all sorted array and simply push the index of where we get the target and return the answer. But it is not efficient solution. For efficient solution we have to find some other solution. So we are going to solve this problem in order of n. So what can do for order m solution? We can find the number of element which is less than target and find the how many element equal to target. For this we find the number of element which is less than target. So if we seeing this solution, how many element is less than target in this array? 1 2 3. There are 3 element in this array which is less than target. So first we put the lesser element, then we put target, and after that we put remaining element. So we are looking that index of index of target element start after lesser element end. Then we have to the index of target is how many element in array which is less than target. There are 3. Then index of target element start from 3 because it is 0 index array, so it will be start from 3 0 0 1 2 3. Then it will be fine. So we have no to sort the array whole array in n log n. So we are I am going to explain the solution. We count the number of target value and number of element which is less than target value. We put in rank the how many uh, no, number of number of target value in count plus plus. If n equal to target count plus plus, we store in count we store how many target value. In rank we store how many value which is less than rank. Then so we take a answer for return the answer. We create iterate while loop uh, as much how much time how many number of target. If they in this there are 2 times, then we iterate 2 times. In this there are 1 target value, then we iterate 1 times, and after iterate we start pushing the index as how many less than how many less than value in array which is less than target, input the in answer, then after return we return the answer. thank thank you so much.